Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce a trailer house manufactured by our factory. Our trailer house is made of the light steel structure and trailer chassis system. Here is the trailer chassis. This position will place the clean water tank and water tank. The interior wall panel will use the aluminum magnesium magazines panel and anti-static wood panels to make a patchwork design. Here is a double opening door. You can have a look. This is our inner house. I'm standing here is our living area. And there is aluminum ceiling windows. A large rear windows. The ceiling we use the yellow color Shirleywu board. The interior board we use the white Shirleywu board. Our floor system is generally used cement fiber board and SPC floor decoration. From here is our kitchen. Opening kitchen. We can equip with the kitchen cabinet. And here is our bathroom area. The bathroom features will include a shower, a wash sink, and a toilet. We usually equip our customers a storage stairs, which can place storage and access to the loft. And here is our loft. We can use with the bedroom. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us.